we're back. Not sure I'm back, but I'm not sure anyone else is going to come back. So, thank Comcast. We missed the open. Nice move up. 41.39 to 41.59. At least I think I'm back. Let's see. We're rising up. Anybody else here? Is it just me? So we're watching this rise up. What's crude doing? I don't know if there's anybody here. Ooh, big dump on natural gas. Crude still rising up. Mr. G must be happy. Yay. So we're back. Thank Comcast for that 10-minute outage. I swear. There we go. Okay. So, missed that nice move up at the open. Beautiful move. Boom. I missed Comcast screwing me over again, Burrow. But have you seen gold, Burrow? I know you were looking for a discount, and it's under 1900. Nice. Yes, I need to do some. I gotta go mark these. It's part 1 and part 2, thanks to Comcast. uh, Welcome back, Ahmad. Thank you for joining me again. Watching the markets go up again. Seems like that's all we watch the markets do anymore. Gonna real quickly throw out a thing on Twitter. Oh yeah, that's right. We have news. Thank you, JC. I have not ever used Bookmap. So let's see what the numbers on that news was. U.S. S&P Services PMI final actual 46.8. Forecast was 46.6. More news in 15 minutes. Wow. That would not have been good, Burl. Not good at all. We don't want to smash Burl. So for those of you that returned, I would appreciate if you hit that like button because my likes are going to really be down on this one. Oh, big move up there. 7-point candle. Boom. Up to 41.65. There's that 65 number RJ just referenced. Burl wants pandemonium in the streets. So, moving up. Moving on up. Ooh-wee. To that deluxe apartment in the sky. Thank you for those that are returning after the internet dropped. Wow, that's a bold prediction, Burl. When was the last time we were below 3,000? Looks like somewhere around June of 2020. That would be quite the crash. That would be bigger than the COVID crash. Although I will say, I mean, our high was 4,800 something, 4,836, somewhere around there. And it did come down, 1,200 points off the high. So, I mean, as they're continuing to rise up there to 41.69. If that happens, we'll all head to Burrell's house. Something tells me he's got about 20 cases of spam in his basement. Well, soup is good food. Though spam is better for my carnivore diet. Burr in the saddle. Strong move down here. 10 points down. Moving quickly. Fast movers here. Oh, crap. Did NinjaTrader reconnect? Guess I should check that. Yes, it did. So, welcome back, Ace. Which is different than welcome back, Cotter. Welcome back. I'm up $96. It says 100, but I forgot to subtract the commission. One trade, one win. At 100% win rate. Oh, this is a trigger candle, but I don't know if I trust it. Strong move back up, 5.5 points. Nice, RJ. Thank you, CBR. Good morning to you. I didn't trust that. I did not trust that trigger candle, and looks like I was right so far. Steak and eggs. Ace, steak and eggs. Yep. Well, it treated first. Down, it would have stopped me out if I was going for a 2-point stop. Then went up. To bar, to bar, to bar. Wow, Ace, you're getting some unique requests today. About ready to hear Ace say everyone's getting cream of wheat and you're gonna like it. Well, Ace, at least no one's asked for ramen. Kind of hemming and hawing here. More news in 3 minutes. Extra, extra, read all about it. Never doubt the triggers. Never doubt the triggers. Nice. Trade together. Think I was having internet problems at the bottom. Pulling back now. Got back up to 41.67. Our high before non-farm payrolls got up to 41.74. Yep, news in 2 minutes. Forget what the news is, but that's okay. I'll remember in a minute. U.S. ISM Services PMI. Now, I got no idea what these news reports are. I've been thinking about also doing videos in each of these red folders to look up what they are and all that as a kind of an educational series for the channel. Dipping, where we're dipping dots. Boom. Big move down there on the news, down 9 points. Down 11 points. Not trying to bounce. ISM services PMI actual 55.2. The forecast was 50.5. Bounce. So it went from 59.50 down to 48.50. So 11 points down, but it's regained a good portion of it. Yeah, yeah, it's a little bit more than low impact there. And we're popping back up right now. Yeah, popping, hopping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. Boom! Wow, I went short there in literally 2 seconds. 50, 41, 55, 25, 41, 53, 25. Let me actually seriously, I think that was 2 seconds. Let me look. Yes, it was. 90. I entered at 10:01:23 and out at 10:01:25. It was literally 2 seconds. So 2 for 2 in the morning. Run that beautiful cash winner. I like 2-second winners. So up $192 today after commissions. Thank you, JC. You don't keep blood sausages in stock there, Ace? I thank everyone for coming back. Usually if I have to start a second stream, I don't see a bunch of people here, but we're 23 here now. Thank you. Ooh, bounce back up. And rise it does. Boom, up. I think that if you were keeping sausage in a cupboard, we might have. Well, I guess it could be canned, but most needs refrigeration. Big 7.5 points up here. Trigger candle up. I didn't take it, and I should have. Why do I doubt it? Why do I doubt it, guys? I mean, I could be. Look at that go. It's trying to come right back down. We're definitely jumping. I was gonna take. See, I'm in my I was going to mode now. I was gonna take that short because of the way it came right back down, and that also would have been a winner. So right here, I just blew $200. Well, I didn't blow $200, but I could have eaten up $200 more, but I didn't take either trade. It is breaking the 100 here, which is technically also a trigger for me. But bouncing right back up. Coming right back down. Uh, how's that, Ace? Ace asks, how did the cyber criminals get away? And he already warned us it's going to be a dad joke. They ransomware. That's a good one, Ace. I like that. Good luck on that, JSC. Just went short. That's going to stop me out. Yep. So just that quick, I got stopped out. Lost 104. Went short on the break of the 100, and it popped right back up. So easy come, easy go. Swing low, sweet chariot. And look at that, come right back down. I was right. There's no way I want to give it a 7-point stop. So, that sucks. So, like I said, I was right on that. Now, I should have just jumped right back in when it bounced off that EMA. Good luck. 6E is what he's talking about. Ooh, wow. It's really been falling. So, we'll keep an eye on that. Check back. ES is a little choppy here. Around that 4150 area that RJ was talking about. Ultra bonds continuing to head down. Ooh. Uh, JC, what's your stop? Here's ES. Popping up a bit. Technically, it's not bouncing again. So we're just hanging on this 100 EMA between the sandwich between the 100 and the 20. I just don't want to trust triggers right now. So we'll continue to trade vicariously through JC and see where his 6E trade goes. Wheat. Let's go check wheat. I have it here somewhere. Meanwhile, gold continues for. Oh yeah, look at wheat go. Huge move to the upside on wheat. 46 ticks, about say 50 ticks, like 12 points, 12 and a half, something like that. $50 a point. Yeah, it's a nice move on wheat. Yep. Right back down here on ES. It it sniffed above it and now it's dropping below it. Buyers are coming right back in. Yep, there's a little bit of green on 6E. Let's hope it gets back up for JC. And we're kind of wishy-washy here. Ooh, there's a wow, look at that pop up there on ES. Up, back above JC's entry point. Strong candle here, 8.5 points all of a sudden. Back up to that 41.66 area. So we got down to that, again to that 50 area that RJ mentioned earlier, and it bounced. And bounced it did. Like a basketball off the Empire State Building. Actually, I think a basketball off the Empire State Building might just deflate when it hits the ground. But boom, back up to 41.68 here. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, and it's nice pop up there. Wow. It's a great call on this, JC. And good, whatever fortitude to stay in when it was really dipping. ES just hit 41.68 half, pulled back a little bit by 3. Yep, the 41.70 trying to get back to high today. The high since the open was just beat. Globex high 41.77, 41.74. Looks like we're not all going to need to go to Burl's basement today. Market's heading up. Up to nice, just continuing to rise. You have a target in mind, JC, or are you just letting it ride? $41.73 half. Trying to get up to high day. A little bit of a pullback there on 6E. Pound's also popping up. Oh, there we go. 41.75, 41.76. Do I hear 41.77? 41.76 half going once. Going twice. Nope. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. There's a bid. 41.76.75. And there's 41.77. Touched high a day. Pulled back. Touched it to the tick. Touched the high Globex. Up there we go. New high a day, 41.78. Yesterday's high, 42.08. Guess we got to keep that back in mind now. So, it said non-farm payrolls beating expectations by almost a factor of 3. Who cares? We're going to continue to rise up. That's right. RJ did call 82 earlier. You're out. Oh, wow. Yeah, burst up there. How many ticks did you get there, JC? If you don't remember, you never need to answer those questions if you don't want to. I'm always just curious. Yep, go market. Up to 41, 79.75, pulled back a bit. Oh yeah, up. Nice, JC, excellent. RJ bailed before 82, but I'm sure it was a nice win. It's a great question, John. Great question. No more news today. Not that I know of, anyway. Let me look. Biden speaking right this minute on employment. And we have a Fed speaker this afternoon at 2:30 Eastern. Looks like there's absolutely no news on Monday. Bullish and golfing back up. Struggling at 41.75. Damn it. Boom. I was actually going to take that long because of the bullish and golfing, and bullish and golfing went away, but it would have given me 2 points plus. Alright guys, a little note on the channel. Uh, Monday the 23rd, we had that mass exodus of the idiots, where they all unsubscribed and all that. And we were at 1,244 subscribers. Then before they left, we dipped down to 1,217. We're back up to 1,244, so it took less than 2 weeks to recover the loss of subscribers from that event. And I think the channel has been much calmer and much more fun and enjoyable since that group of people left. So overall, it was a very net positive. Apparently, RJ, they're all one group, and once they decide to turn on a channel, they all do that. They find fault in every channel they go to. Now, they apparently they have a Discord together. They all join. They all jump into a channel at the same time. They all leave at the same time. Uh, they say I was losing too much and I was rude. They didn't like the fact that I wouldn't let them just joke about flatulence and masturbation. Yeah. So yeah, they jump from me to Weenie to Trader TV Live to Beginner Trader, and I've seen them in other channels too. And you notice how they all jump in together and leave together. I honestly think some of them are one person with multiple IDs. Well, I was rude because I told them I didn't, I would hide their comments that weren't needed. There's your 82, RJ. So yeah, they thought they were hurting by all leaving, but you know, what I thought was funny is that I actually saw the subscriber numbers go up and then back down. Some people subscribed just to tell me they were leaving and then unsubscribed. Trade Together said don't sell. He was right. 82, 84, new high a day. Yes, it was. That's what I was going to get into. I said this candle right here to me looks like we wanted to go back up. I really feel with my strategy, because I don't go for big moves, I go for 2 or 3 point moves, that there are, you know, at least 10 opportunities each morning for a good trade. I just need to start taking most of those opportunities. And then maybe eventually I'll end up going for bigger moves where it's less trades. $1,000 profit on 2MQ, 2MNQ. So let me think, that's 500 per one. Is that 250 points trade together? Did we move that much on NQ? We did move that much on NQ. Wow. Great job, trade together. Beautiful. About half an hour left on part 2 of the today's stream. Speaking of 2, remember Mondays, there are 2 streams, usually not both in the morning like today, but our normal one in the morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, and we trade the Asia session in the evening, 7:45 p.m. Eastern. Kind of sideways now here, 41.80. Bitcoin rising back up. Copper, ooh, rising back up, but bouncing off its 100. Crude oil, oh, Mr. G is very happy. Look at crude go. Mr. G was in a swing trade long, and look at that. I'm not sure if Scriptwriter stayed in his. He was also in earlier. I'm not sure if he's still, or if he came back after the blip. Big fall again on natural gas. I hate that glitch. I know how that feels. That's why I do my quick, try and do my quick 2 or 3 points. I would love to catch a big run like this, this break here of this, EMA, get in there, 41.56 and drive it up to 41.84, 30 points. A $1,500 move, but I just, seeing trades. Eventually, I'll trail. Boom, 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 boom. But right now, with the constantly trailing drawdown on the Blue Sky account or an Apex account, either one, it's best to just take my profit targets. That was a 6-point candle back down, but bouncing again. Struggling to get back up here. Taking a breath. Will we see a reversal? The classic 1030 reversal. Find out this and more. Nope, there we go. We're popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Back up into the 80s. I like the 80s. That was a good decade. A bunch of you probably weren't even alive then. Nice glitch. Nice. Very nice. Runners don't like to be held. They prefer to run. Well, they might like to be held at night. Cuddling. High day, right? This candle here about 10 minutes ago, 41.84. And we're trying to boom up. Yesterday high, once again, coming into the thought of 42.08. Still ways to go, but nice. Great job finishing green there, Glitch. New high day at 41.84 half. So trying. What was it, green, Avi? Was it a green trade? Still rising up to 41.86. Nice. 14 points. That's nothing to sneeze at. Unless you have allergies. I'm sure things will be better for you next week, Burl. At least you got your discount on gold. Meanwhile, for Hassan, silver's still falling. So gold's at the lowest level it's been since, not that long ago, January 10th, 9th, sorry. But still, over the last 2 days, it's fallen 54 points. Yeah, I understand, Avi. Good. You are obviously an excellent trader. Trade together. Glad to have you here in the room, or chat, or channel, or whatever the heck this is. Oh. Yeah, it's a good question. How long have you been trading trade together? 41.90. Burl, I every time I try to guess or think what the market's gonna do, I end up getting myself in trouble. So I just try to play the moves now as they happen. I mean, it's fun to maybe analyze things, but I mean, I've thought this market was going to come down quite a few times, and it hasn't. We got up to 41.90, it pulled back to 41.85. It's a quick 5-point pullback. It's hard to code strategies, Avi. Really hard. I mean, there's just some things that I mean, at least for most of us, I think, maybe the big banks and stuff have people that have really good coding knowledge or whatever. But say like my bot does my strategy, but like let me find it here. Like, but my bot wouldn't know not to take this long here, and it just trades every break as long as it's not in already in a trade. So my bot sucks on trend days because you can see how this moved up. It would hit its profit target and then it would enter the short, stop out, and not enter that long because the long stops it out. Then it'll enter that short again. So that's where my bot has a problem with my strategy. Absolutely glitch. You're ending your week green, as someone said earlier. You hate to go into the weekend on a red day. We have a bullish engulfing candle here. Big engulfing candle. 5 points. Yep. I mean, and my bot will do wonderful for 3 months. There was one setting on my bot that made $20,000 from early September to mid-November, and once mid-November hit, it became absolute crap. It's like, but how do you know where it adjusts? When to adjust it, or when it's just having a bad day, or a bad week. New high day again, 41.91. I mean, well, it kind of depends on what kind of market you're in, though, bro. Because if you look at NQ, oh wait, that's a continuous contract in front. But we were coming down for quite a while in December, well, November. So maybe it was just short during that time, or and actually that's a thought. Maybe you should only take longs if we're above the 20 on the daily chart. I'll have to test that out. Didn't know you had a channel trade together. Hold on, let me try and find that. There it is. I think I found it. Okay. Trade Together. Your channel about 356 subscribers. I think I found you. There we go. Those that want to check out Trade Together's channel, I think that's the right link. So our new high today, 41.91.75. Trade Together, let me know if that's the right link. Sticking to the plan is the hardest. It's where I get in trouble. I think I'm smarter than my strategy, even though I came up with my strategy. I mean, my strategy is not like it's difficult anyway. I'm sure it's not an original, but nice. 5 years, awesome. The hardest part of trading is trading. Oh, just kidding. We're all gonna grow together, guys. One day we'll have a MightyOxTrading convention or whatever, get together. Sitting here 41.88. We've kind of gotten a little bit loss of oomph with 10 minutes ago in the stream. All-time lows, Hassan, or what lows are we talking about? Today's lows? Ultra bond heading back up. About 8 minutes ago on the stream, everything's kind of calmed down. We did see a drop here, about 10 points over the last 10 minutes. Excellent job, Glitch. Yeah, as long as I don't do anything stupid here in the next 7 minutes, I'm also 4 out of 5 green this week. Up. Up. Give me a second. I'll tell you in a minute. $428. That said, I really wanted to come down. I really wanted to take this short. But I didn't. It's good I didn't. That's what I'm hoping. I feel things have been better the last couple weeks. I mean, if I go back to last week, I've had 6 green days out of the last 7. It's kind of flagging here to the side. Popping up a little bit. I've never heard of that trade together. I was right about the short. when they gave me much. Oh, now it would have. Down to 41.77. Excuse me 1 second. Continue to move down here. So hope everyone had a good week this week. I know a lot of people are saying their green Burrow did not have a good week, and hopefully he recovers next week. Thank everyone for joining me today. We just have a couple minutes. And for those that came back after Comcast decided to screw me. Nice bounce. 2-point bounce there. Back up to the 20 EMA. And we're popping up. So this is a trigger candle. But I don't know. Trade Together says he would go long. He would, matter of fact, I think he already went long a few points ago. Or a few candles ago, I should say. We'll mark it and see what happens. We'll stay on for another 5 minutes or so. See what happens if I would have gone long here. Do a 3-point stop, 3-point target. Because our ATR is still... What's our ATR? Still above 3. watching it. Look at there. Before I would have gone. Yep, there. That would have been 2. And it would not have stopped me out if I had tried for 2. I'm really starting to think I should not doubt these triggers at all. Not at all. It's gone 3 exactly. I mark it with an extra tick for slippage. There it goes. That would have worked. That one earned its purple. And another good call by Trade Together. As it soars back up. So, that's going to be it for today, folks. I want to thank everybody for joining me. We'll be back here Monday morning, 7:30 Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and we shall see you on Monday. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.